Hello, and welcome to another TPOS tutorial. In this video, we will be going through filing for 2015 to 2019 returns. First, you need to log in with your correct user ID and password. Once logged into your account, select the Filing Obligation tile. Here, you'll see all different tax return types that you were registered for with FRCS. Select RIWT for the period you want to file the return. Please note that you will have to create the RIWT filing obligation manually below if your filing obligation does not appear above. Once loaded, you'll be navigated to the instruction page. Check the box once you've read and understood. Then, click Continue to proceed to the next page. Now the system will ask the question, are you filing an IL return? If you select yes, then the system will ask you to provide the reason for an IL return from the drop-down and proceed to the Declarations section to submit the return. However, if you select no, then you need to click Continue to Next Step for RIWT Summary. Now, you need to provide the relevant payee details in this section. There are two options available. The first option is to enter data in the Excel template, fill in the payee details, and import the file back in TPOS. Second option is to add payee details manually in the TPOS form fields. Let's go through the first option, that is using the Excel template. This option is useful if you have large number of data, where you can pull data from your accounting software and copy and paste in the downloaded Excel format. First step is to click the Download Template button and open the Excel template. Please note that the system will only recognize the downloaded Excel format. Now you need to enter the following data in the Excel: TIN of payee, father's name, address, interest subject to RIWT, RIWT deducted. Once completed, return to TPOS and click the Import button to upload your filled Excel template. Your data should be populated thereafter. Now, let's use second option to file RIWT, where you need to add payee details manually. This option is suitable for those taxpayers that have a few data to be entered. Click the Add Payment button and the system will open up a new line in which you can enter the data manually. Please note that for both methods, the RIWT deducted has to be entered manually. Now click on the arrow button to continue to the Summary section. Here the reference number is generated and you can also see the tax liabilities. Now click on the arrow button to continue to the Declarations section. For individual taxpayer, TIN for declarant will be automatically populated. However, for non-individual taxpayer, you have to provide the TIN of the person submitting the application. In order to submit the form, you will have to tick the declaration checkbox. Additionally, you may use the Add Notes functionality to provide additional notes if any, and click on Submit button to submit the filing resident interest withholding tax (RIWT) for old returns on TPOS. After submitting the form, an acknowledgement page will be displayed with your reference number. You can also click and download the acknowledgement letter. When the form is submitted and auto-processed, you will be notified via the correspondence tile on the TPOS dashboard. We hope that you have been able to follow through. Thank you for watching and please stay tuned for more tutorial videos. For more information or queries, please email info@frcs.org.fj.